Let's go about simple math. When you were a student of 9 or 10, you had a number of common math, kind of simple math. 2 plus 3, then first bracket 5 divided by 7, first bracket close, then divided by 2, then minus 3, then second bracket. There are so many numbers and all these things. And when you do this sum, you have to go for maybe 5 steps, 8 steps, like that. The weaker student you are, the longer it takes. If you are so fast, it can be maybe 3 steps, 4 steps. So the life is the simple math. You have planted a tree, it is growing, it gives you a lot of fruits, and you have some virus inside, and it's destroying your health. So that tree outside is growing. Everybody sees such a wonderful tree. Without any effort, he can get mangoes and all these things. But inside your health, you have a disease, the virus or something, and it's destroying your health. Nobody sees. Similarly, if you go to Dhaka city, you can do very good, you get a good job, you have scholarship, and then you go to America, and then you marry an American girl, and that's Christian, you're Muslim. So that's the problem. The American girl, the wife can't come to Bangladesh, your mother can't see a nephew, nieces, grandfather, grandmother, grandchildren, a lot of problems. So the thing is that the simple math is very important. So when you take a decision, it is positive, it is negative, it is divided by something, it is times something. That's fine. But I don't know. So when you see the big simple math, you think that this is what a value. But when you finish the sum, it's maybe +1 or maybe -2, like that. But a philosopher can see it. When you have the simple math, you go one step, one step, one step. This is how you finish the math. But when a philosopher is there, he can understand. If you go to Dhaka and study there, there are so many advantages, there are so many disadvantages. And a philosopher can understand the advantages will be minus by disadvantages. And if the number is positive, then that's good. And it's not that number it's very difficult. 2 and 2 makes 4. That's true. But philosophically, it's not 2 and 2 makes 4, because it gives number different, maybe -1 million, maybe +1 million. You go to a job, suppose Sonia, she was in a Buet and she was studying there, and what did she do? She was crossfired, she was killed. So if she knew that she would lose her life if she studied at Buet, then what would happen? She would not study at Buet. So studying at Buet, getting that opportunity to study at Buet was not good for her. So there are things. It's difficult to finally understand what's good, what's bad. But the philosophers can usually understand what's good, what's bad. So you take your decision with the help of a philosopher. You don't need to be a philosopher because it's too tough for you. And even when you want to be a philosopher, if you read my words, my write-ups, and if you watch my videos, you can be a philosopher. So if you don't want to do it, then just leave it to a philosopher. So find a friend, find someone, a well-wisher who is intelligent, who is a philosopher. Whenever you have a problem, you go there. Whenever you need to take an important decision, then you visit him, and then you finish with the problems. You take care of yourself. That's it.